Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see C-sharp operators. As you know, we have started C-sharp tutorials previous to this video. We have covered so many topics like user inputs, user outputs, how we have to display in console, data types and variables, how to define that, and how to do conversion between one data type to other data type between variables we have seen. So in this, we are going to see operators. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss video from us or any update from us. So you'll get notified each time when we upload a new video. So let's see operators. Operators are used mainly to perform operations on variables and values. Like if you want to perform any operation like addition operation or subtraction, like we need some operators like to do any calculation between two variables or values likewise. So these are called operators. So in this example, we can see plus operator, like it will add two values. So if it is an integer type, it will add on like int x is equal to 100 plus 50, it will give 150 answer here. So although the plus operator is often used to add up together two values like in this example, so it can also be used to add together a variable and a value or a variable to another variable. For example, see this first variable int sum is equal to 1 where you are adding just numbers, but in sum 2 is equal to we are adding one variable to a number. That thing also we can do by this plus operator. And the third thing which you can also do is you can add two same kind of variables also here, some 2 and some 1 also you can add, like some 2 or 2, whatever the sum 2 is coming two times you can add likewise. So what you can do by plus operator is you can add together a variable and a value. A variable and a value you can add two values, and you can also add a variable and another variable, sum 1 plus sum 2 also you can do and make it store it in the sum 3. So these are called a plus operator. So these are basic operators we have is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operators and logical operators. Let's see these arithmetic operations first of all. So here you can see plus are there, which is an addition, normally we know adds two values together, where minus is subtraction value from one to another, and multiplication multiplies two values, whereas division divides one value by another, whereas modulus we have it, the remainder will get division remainder will get a value, where we have increment operator and had decrement operator. Increment increases the value by a variable 1, so decrement decrements the variable by 1. So you can try it by try it editor, which is one of the like advantage we have by using this w3 schools. So see, into 5 and into y is equal to 3 are the two integer variables we are summing and giving 8 as an output. So this thing we can do, and whatever we have seen subtraction we can do. 5 minus 3 you will get 2 answer if you run this thing. And multiplication division you can perform any of these operations here. You can change all the things at a time so that you will can see. Here you can change the things, addition, subtraction, and then multiplication we can perform, and after that we can perform division, we can perform modulus. So here modulus, the symbol of the modulus will be the percentage, right? So you can use percentage here. And next what we have, increment and decrement operator, so that will add one value likewise. So you can increment x value, and also you can decrement the x value itself. So these are the syntaxes for that, and let's see how we're running this thing. What are will be the outputs for these arithmetic operations between these two numbers x and y? Addition will be 2 and subtraction will be 2. Addition will be 8 and subtraction 2, and multiplication 15 and division is 1. And next modulus is the remainder you will get 2. So next increment is 5 is the increment, you can see after increment. So after displaying it will increment, this is a post increment, right? So it will give us 5 here. So after that if you print x value it will be 6 here. To understand this thing you can print x value after doing that x plus plus. So there you will get x value as 6. After to that 6 we are decrementing, so you'll get here you are getting x as after decrement 5 you are getting here. So to understand this also, what you can do is you can, so you can use y here to understand better purpose. So let's run this application. So after x incremented, you can see a 6 here as an x value, and after that y is 3 and it is decrementing, so y is value is 2. So this is all about arithmetic operations. Next we have exercise for the arithmetic operations. You can practice these exercises. What they are asking, the multiply, what are the symbol which we have to use here is multiplication symbol. Submit your answer and test your things. So next we have assignment operators, which is very easy to understand. Like normal, we know, right, to assign any value to a variable, what we use, that is equal to operator, that is a assignment operator, is used to assign values to a variables. In this example, you can see assignment operator to assign value 10 to a variable called x. So x is equal to 10. In addition to the assignment operator, we have one thing called as a shorthand assignment things. Like addition assignment, you can do adds a value to a variable. If x is equal to 10 is there in, so x is equal to plus is equal to 5, that means x is equal to x plus 5. Then answer of so x will store 15 value, updated value. Try this example. This is called shorthand assignment pro things. So x value we are printing here is 15, that will update. So this is nothing but the, you can use comments. So the value of this will be like this. So x is equal to x plus 5 is the meaning of this shorthand assignment. Plus is equal to 5, so the x value will update as 15. Likewise, you can change these values and try it also. So 18 will be the value now. So like this, plus is equal to, we can also do minus is equal to, so that it will give x minus 5. Likewise, so you can see the different examples here. List of all assignment operators. Is equal to is the normal, is equal to, plus is equal to x plus 3, minus is equal to means x minus 3, multiplication is equal to means x into 3, like division, subtraction, and also we can do the same shorthand assignments for these logical operators also. Like end is equal to end x and 3, likewise, or this not, and greater than or less than thing kind of things. So this is all about assignment operators and shorthand assignment operators. And next we have this comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or two variables. This is important in programming because it helps us to find the answers and make the decision based upon the conditions only. We have to take a step in some cases. So to return a value of a comparison, either maybe true or false will be the only two values. This is called boolean values. You have seen, right, boolean data types and kind of things. And we have some condition statements also. In if else we can see in a clear way. In this example, let's understand what are the comparison operators. Like we have that is, first one is greater than operator to find out whether which value will be greater. Likewise, to check that condition, greater than condition, we use this symbol like greater than. Here x is equal to 5 and y into y is equal to 3. If I said x is greater than y, if that statement is true, then it will return true value. If that statement is false, it will return false value. So whenever I use this operator greater than, let's see how the result will come. So you can see here the true result will give return the boolean types of variables for this comparison operators. When I tell this is less than kind of thing, and if I run this thing, it will tell yes, y is greater, no, no, then it will told as false as an answer. So these are the greater than and less than symbols which we have in operation, comparison operators. So not only greater than or less than, but we have is equal to, is equal to kind of thing. Another kind of thing, you can try all those examples at once so that you can understand. So for first thing which can have we have is equal to, or not equal to will be there, and less than or greater than kind of thing. So next what we have is this greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or the two kind of things we can now have. I'm just copying for all the conditions to show you what answers you can get like this. I can remove this. See, x is equal to y is false, not two values are not same. And x not equal to is a condition is true because true are two different values. So x is greater than or equal to y is a false statement, and x is greater than or equal to y is a true statement, and x is less than y is a false statement. X is greater than y is a true statement. Like boolean values, it will return based upon this comparison. So this will be used mainly with the if else conditions, like conditioning statements likewise. So this is all about comparison operator. Next we have one more thing is logical operator. So logical operators are the things which can also be test for true or false condition kind of thing only. So logical operators are mainly used to determine the logic between two variables or values logical conditions. So logical operators we have is logical and logical are and logical not. These are the symbols which are used for this conditioning. So logical end is nothing but, right, end statement returns true if two statements are true. You will have two statements. If first statement is true and the second statement is true, then it will return true as an entire output for this logical end. And if you have two statements with or condition, then if any one of the statement is true, then it will return true. So, and next we have logical not, that is nothing but a reverse result. If it is true, if it will give a result as false. If it is false, it will give result as true. It's a reverse vice versa condition. That's a logical not. You can try these things and let me know if you have tried or not, and try the exercises which are present here uh, in the arithmetic kind of thing. So this is all called comparison, and logical operators are mainly used, or written types of these conditions are boolean values only, either maybe true or false. So assignment operators will not have any return type, like or it's a assigning kind of thing. In shorthand, assignments will be there. In arithmetic operation, you will get result based upon which operation you are using, like addition, subtraction kind of things. So this is all about C sharp operators. Hope you have understood in a clear manner. If you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to comment in the comment section. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below and share this videos to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of C sharp kind of things. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for many more videos like this.